Good day everyone, this is Nikki and it's Feb 15, Sunday, and bago pala mag-open yung market, let's have some market analysis on certain markets like crypto, gold, and Nasdaq. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Thank you. By the way, thank you Mexi for this wonderful calendar. So okay guys, let's start with BTC. So this is the monthly chart of BTC, and so far, monthly candle for February is still bearish. Kung mapapansin natin, the monthly candle is still bearish. So for me, maybe we're closing this bearish, or if ever na umangat man tayo, maybe we'll form a doji right here. But let's see if kaya pa rin mag-turn around the February to become a bullish candle. But right now, still no clear context on the monthly time frame. So baba tayo sa weekly chart. So makikita natin sa weekly chart, possibly magko-close na itong weekly chart natin with this range. Let's say na magko-close yung Sunday na ganito yung range. So meron tayong dalawang babantayan dito, which is the previous week high, which is yung magiging high and low of the week ngayon. And babantayan ko to if kukunin ba natin to baba or kukunin natin taas. But this is also an inside bar candle. So for sure, one of this high will be taken out. But ang concern ko dito, if magko-close tayo ng ganito, is we're left a bearish fair value gap dito sa part na to. So in this bearish weekly fair value gap, this might be some key targets for BTC, as this fair value gap is acting like a magnet for the market. So I'm expecting or anticipating a movement like this, tas tataas tayo dito, or maybe a movement like this. One of this fair value gap will be filled and possible bumalik tayo sa either this low or this low. But then again, I'll wait for the reaction of the market if we will respect these fair value gaps or hindi. But on the weekly chart, I'm anticipating a possible short positions here sa weekly fair value gaps na to between 71K and also 79K, or roughly 80,000. But a possible long positions around 65K and also around $60,000 or $59,000. So that is for the weekly of BTC. Let's go on the daily chart. Makikita natin we are consolidating inside the range of around 59,800 to 72,200. So dyan tayo nag-range. Para sa akin again, still, I won't take any trade inside this range. Dito lang magte-take ng range either pag nakuha natin tong previous week low dito sa part na to, or makuha natin itong previous week high dito sa part na to. But again, syempre, if makakita ko ng possible trade kung saan papunta si market, example, we do have this bullish fair value gap dito sa part na to, but then again, I'll be more cautious on this bullish FVG. But also, makikita natin, if mag-hold to, then possibly, ang tatargetin talaga natin is yung previous week high or yung mga fair value gap sa task natin. But if makakita tayo ng weakness sa market, pwede natin targetin itong baba. So, sa daily, there's still no clear context. Mas clear pa yung context natin sa weekly time frame. Let's go in the 4-hour time frame. Makikita natin, we'll likely having a change in state of delivery sa part na to. Possible, nag-change tayo here sa part na to from a bullish price delivery to a bearish one. Also, itong part na to ni market is meron tayong tinatawag na SMT. Dahil si BTC, I think, tinake niya yung high na to, while Ethereum, hindi niya tinake yung high na to. So, mang babantayan ko dito for BTC is this fair value gap. But let's see kung anong gagawin ni market dito sa bullish fair value gap na to. Pwede niya ba itong gawing CPB to go lower? Magkakaroon na tayo ng retracement pataas, tapos bagsak ulit, or pwede niya itong gawing support para ma-reach natin or ma-fill natin yung mga fair value gap above. So, yun pa yung babantayan natin for BTC. But right now, we are in a low probability condition, especially with a weekend's price action. But then again, I'll be cautious syempre bukas because it's Monday pa lang. So, yun yung pinakaabangan kong trade sa Monday. And if you want to stay updated sa BTC natin is follow nyo na lang yung channel ko, follow my social media account, and see you there. Also, see you sa Discord ng Hideout. That's all for today. Peace out. Bye-bye.